Lancaster, and this is my review of the Dyson Digital Slim DC35 multi-floor handheld vacuum cleaner, which is here on the docking station, which charges it. It takes 3.5 hours to fully charge. And if I just slide the device back here so I can show you some of its features. On the docking station here you can store the tools that come with it. Here you have the crevice tool, which is for hard to reach places. Here you have the combination tool, which if you slide this brush up here, it can become a brush for dusting. And just stow them away back on the docking station. You also have the wand with the rotary brush on, which has V-ball technology and an articulating head for better mobility. Just pop that back there. Here is the device itself, which with either of these tools on or as it sits, you have 15 minutes runtime, or with the rotary tool you have 13 minutes runtime, or with this max button here, which increases the suction for more difficult tasks, you have 6 minutes. You have an LED which will illuminate in here when you only have 1 minute of runtime left. And if I turn over the device here, you have the button here for the filter. Put it in to show you the filter there, to take it out and clean it. Just clip it back into place there. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use the tool. Here you have a red button which is to trigger the device on. I'm going to choose to use the rotary tool to show you the mobility and versatility and how quick and easy it is to use. Just clip it on there, and here is a mess I created earlier. Here we go. There it is on normal suction, and you see how quickly it does pick up and how easily. And if you follow me through to my kitchen here, you'll see another floor surface type, and you'll see versatility of the device. I'm going to use the combination tool. I have a mess here, and I'm going to choose to put it on the boost to show you the extra power of the suction. And you'll see the mess is cleaned up in no time. Just click this tool off here and pop this tool back on the docking station. The docking station does have 2 holes here, so it can be mounted on the wall for easy storage. Here we have a button which will release the catch to empty the device, just like so, and click the trapdoor back up and store it back in the docking station, push it down, slide it back, and that's how easy it is. Now, I recommend the Dyson DC35 MF because it's lightweight, it's durable, it's quick and easy to use, especially when you have children like myself. If I have to get out the door in the morning to take my daughter to school and my kids have made a mess with their breakfast, just get to pick it up, put it together, clean up, within seconds the mess is gone, as you've seen. Now, the only downside to this device is, yes, it's easy, compact and very lightweight. As for myself, being pregnant is a lot easier than a heavier vacuum. But the downside is the run time. 6 minutes, 15 minutes, 13 minutes. Sometimes it's not long enough. But in the case of quick and easy, it's fantastic, and I've